Hi, this is Alex from Power User. Today, I'm pleased to introduce one of the most popular features of Power User. When you have put some hard work into preparing a great presentation, you don't want to ruin it with some small, silly mistakes that will damage how it's perceived by others. So before we share slides, we want to review them and fix any formatting issues. For this, we're going to use the Cleaner, a fantastic tool to ensure consistency. You can find the Cleaner here on your Power User ribbon. When you open it, it scans your presentation and automatically highlights the different inconsistencies deserving your attention. For instance, I can see I have inconsistent fonts with 54 shapes using the Arial font, while my theme font should be Calibri. I can click to see where we have Arial, and I can click this button to fix it and change it back to Calibri. Even better, I can also choose Fix All, and in one click make sure that Calibri is used everywhere on every single shape, group, table, or chart in my presentation. Replacing colors is another typical example of the Cleaner's powerful capabilities. It is very common in a presentation to have messy colors or to have to convert colors on dozens of slides, which is a very long and tedious process. Here I can see all the colors in my presentation, identifying theme colors versus non-theme colors, and I can easily replace them. For instance, I can replace this orange with dark blue. If needed, I could decide to replace selectively only in text, in fill colors, or in outlines. But here, let's just replace everywhere at once. And now Power User has replaced over 500 colors in my presentation in just a few seconds, saving me potentially hours of work. The Cleaner also reveals many other issues that need fixing. I can see I have a duplicate word here. Let's remove it. I have some extra space there. Let's remove it as well. I have some empty placeholders. Remove. There is some highlighted text. Let's see where and remove it. Same thing with strike-through text. Some slides are missing the page number, which I should normally see at the bottom right of my slide. Let's make them reappear right where they're supposed to be. Same thing for the footers. Let's fix them on all slides, and here they are. I can also check for potentially confidential data in my presentation. The Cleaner helps you check that you are not sending any hidden confidential content by mistake. I can see I have a slide note here, for instance. Usually I would never see it since the notes are hidden below the slides, but thanks to the Cleaner, I can see it's here and remove it. I can also see that there is some content outside the slide area. Let's see where and remove it. I may also have some document properties that nobody will think of checking, but that suddenly become visible when the presentation is turned into a PDF, like the title property or alt text. So let's remove these as well. To finish, I can make my file smaller, compressing media, or removing unused layouts from the slide master. As you can see, the Cleaner is really a simple but powerful tool to keep your presentation clean and consistent. Make sure you open it before sharing any presentation. It will save you time while protecting your quality reputation.